Good morning, students. So today we will learn a new topic from the lesson multiples and factors, and the topic is prime numbers. This is not there in your book, but still we have to learn this topic, prime number. So I have written the definition here. What is prime number? A number which is divisible only by 1 and the number itself is called prime number. So those number which can be divided only by 1 and the same number itself, those numbers are prime numbers. Okay, so I'll explain this with examples. First, let's see a question. Write all prime numbers from 1 to 50. So from 1 to 50 there are so many prime numbers. Beyond 50 also we have prime numbers, but we will in our question we have to write only from 1 to 50. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 till 47, like this. You have to write this in your copy and you have to learn this number. These numbers are known as prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now let's see. This definition I will just explain with the help of example. Suppose 1. So which number can divide 1? Only 1 can divide 1 and there is no other number that can divide 1. Next, 2. Which number can divide 2? 1 can divide 2 because 1 2s are 2. 2 can also divide 2. So 1 and 2 only can divide 2. Next, suppose 3. Which number can divide 3? So 1 can divide 3, 1 3s are 3. 3 can also divide 3, 3 1s are 3, and there is no other number. Next, suppose 4. Which are the numbers that can divide 4? That means factors of 4. So factors of 4 are 1 can divide 4, 2 can divide 4 because 2 2s are 4, but 3 cannot divide 4. 4 can divide 4, 4 1s are 4. So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Next, suppose 5. 1 can divide 5, 2 cannot divide, 3 cannot divide, 4 cannot divide, 5 can divide 5. Next, suppose here I am writing 6. So which are the numbers that can divide 6? 6 1 6 are 6, so 1 can divide, 2 can divide, 2 3s are 6, 3 can divide 6, 3 2s are 6, but 4 cannot divide 6. 6 can divide 6, 6 1s are 6. Next, suppose 7. 1 7s are 7, so 1 can divide. 2 cannot divide 7. 3 also cannot divide 7. 4 cannot divide. 5 cannot divide. 6 also cannot divide 7. But 7 can divide 7. Next, 8. Which are the numbers that can divide 8? 1 8s are 8, so 1 can divide. 2 4s are 8, so 2 can divide. 3 cannot divide 8. 4 can divide 8 because 4 2s are 8, so 4 can divide. 5, 6, 7 cannot divide 8. 8 can divide 8 because 8 1s are 8. Same way, 9. Which are the numbers that can divide 9? 1 can divide, 2 cannot divide, 3 can divide 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cannot divide 9. 9 can divide 9 because 9 1s are 9. Next, 10. So which are the numbers that can divide 10? 1, 2 and 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the numbers that can divide 10. Now let's see here. What is our definition? Prime number: a number which is divisible only by 1 and the number itself is called prime number. So let's see which are the numbers. 2. 2 can be divided by 1 and 2. So this is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. 3 can be divided by only 1 and 3. So 3 is a prime. 4 can be divided by 1 also, 4 also, 2 also. So beyond 1 and 4 there is other number also that can divide 4. So 4 is not a prime. 5 is a prime because 5 can be divided by only 1 and 5. So 5 is a prime. 6 is not a prime number because 1 can divide 6, 6 can divide 6, and there are other numbers also that can divide 6. So 6 is not a prime. 7 is a prime number because only 1 and 7 can divide 7. So 7 is a prime. 8 is not a prime because 1 and 8 can divide. There are other numbers also, 2 and 4 also, that can divide 8. So 8 is not a prime. 9 is not a prime number. 10 is also not a prime number. So by the definition, the numbers which are divisible by 1 and the same number itself is prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7. Like this we can take out prime numbers by factorization of all the numbers. Now what happens to the numbers that has more than 2 factors? This is not a prime. This is not a prime. This is also not a prime. This is not a prime. This is not a prime. No, not prime, not prime, not prime. So the numbers whichever I have ticked, that is prime number. So you have to remember all these numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 till 47. All these are prime numbers. You have to learn this. Okay.